AMD is working on a lot of internal projects that have yet to see the light of day. One such project is the Fenghuang 15FF graphics chip for accelerated processing units or APUs that are quite popular under the AMD brand. The Fenghuang 15FF APU was spotted last year in an entry within SIS Software Sandra database, but since then no other information made its way on the web until now. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. AMD's Fenghuang APU, spotted in 3D Mark, is an internal codename for the graphics chip while it is being tested. There have been different codenames spotted since the chip first leaked out, but it should be clear that this is very much an early sample at this stage. Looking for the specifications reported in 3D Mark, the processor itself seems to be a Zen Plus based APU part with 4 cores and 8 threads. The chip is clocked at 3 GHz base frequency, while the turbo frequency is currently not reported correctly. The graphics side features 2 GB of HBM2 memory, which is clocked at 1200 MHz, being effective at 2.4 GHz. This may just be the fastest clocked HBM2 VRAM speed that AMD has featured on their graphics yet. The core clock for the chip is reported at 300 MHz, but that must be an idle value as the benchmark isn't reporting boost or turbo clocks correctly at the moment. We have previously known that the chip features 28 compute units or CUs, which incorporate 1792 SPs or stream processors, making it the beefiest APU solution till date. The AMD supplied Kaby Lake G chips with RX-Vega GPUs come with 24 compute units or CUs, which has 1536 cores or stream processors and 4 GB of HBM2 at 945 MHz in comparison. The chip has in fact been compared to the Intel Core i7-8809G processor, which features the RX-Vega MGH graphics and is the fastest solution supplied to Intel by AMD. In the GPU benchmark tests, the AMD Fenghuang chip absolutely demolishes the intel+vega processor and only lags behind in the physics test, which is a CPU-intensive benchmark. Overall, if AMD can manage to bring such a chip on the desktop front, it can be a great solution for gaming without a discrete GPU. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.